how to find screenshots on Steam. So basically, you just have to go to your Steam account. Make sure you are logged in. Next thing you need to do is you have to find this Steam button right here on the upper left corner of the screen. So click on that one and go to settings. Next thing you need to find is find the in-game button option. So click on that one, and next is you have to scroll down to find this screenshot. So basically what this tells you is you just have to press F12 if you want to take a screenshot, and you want to see your screenshot once you have done screenshotting. So next thing you need to do is to turn on this button right here. So you have to save your screenshots on an external folder, and they will ask you if you want to edit the folder where you want your screenshots to be saved. So for example, you want to save it on your desktop, so you just have to create a new folder. So you just have to rename it and select folder, and there. So once you have screenshot all your games or your in-game screenshots, so it will be saved on this folder. So just have to go back to the screen or your account. That's how to find screenshots on Steam. So that's basically it. So if you have any questions, leave us a comment down below, and we'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.